Thanks for joining us again. Appreciate it. Molly MacDonald, the founder of the Pink Fund, is with us. Of course, that is the KCQ initiative. During the month of October, we've already established the fact that the Pink Fund helps with non-medical bills for folks who are going through breast cancer. Right. Who's eligible for the Pink Fund?
Any man or woman who's been diagnosed with breast cancer and is undergoing active treatment. So that would be surgery for mastectomy or lumpectomy, chemotherapy or radiation, and has experienced a loss of income. And that does not have to be 100% loss of income. Patients can be on a part-time job, or they can be on part-time disability, short or long-term. But it's just a percentage of loss of income that they can document through our application process. And then once they are qualified and they provide all the supporting documentation, their bills are paid to their creditors for up to 3 months.
Let's say someone's income, it doesn't matter what the income is of an
individual?
It
does. It has to be at or below 500% of federal poverty level.
Okay.
So for a single individual, it's $61,000, family of 4, $125,000. That allows us to loop in the middle class. So it's not just for what we call the working poor.
Pink Fund, real help now for breast cancer patients as they go through treatment. Look for a pink pig all across mid-Michigan, or you simply come right back to our website here at 98fmkcq.com. Hey, welcome back. We're with Molly MacDonald, the founder of the Pink Fund. It's been 10 years, Molly,
I know,
that we've been doing this for the KCQ Pink Fund. And just a bit ago, Molly hit us with a number that, frankly, blew Barb and I away. The amount of money Mid-Michigan has raised for the Pink Fund in the past 10 years is what?
$122,333.44.
That is crazy. And the great thing about every penny that we've raised in those 10 years, they go to patients right here in mid-Michigan. Do you have any folks that you can tell us a little story about some of the folks that we've helped in mid-Michigan?
So in the last 4 months, I pulled some files and looked at some patients. One patient who was married, she and her husband, their income was about $41,000 together. She lost her job and was unable to work, and we made her house payment for 3 months.
Yeah, that's amazing. You know, that's what these pigs are for all across mid-Michigan. You see them. So we put 100, how much?
$122,333.44.
In these little piggy banks, and every penny does make a difference. It's real help now for folks who are going through breast cancer treatment. We appreciate your help, and we always appreciate hanging out with Molly. Thanks for stopping by today. I'm Jim Kramer. This is Molly MacDonald, founder of the Pink Fund. And Molly, tell everybody just what is the Pink Fund?
So the Pink Fund is obviously with Pink, a breast cancer charity that works in the space known as financial toxicity. When many patients are in treatment for breast cancer, they experience toxic side effects, making it impossible for them to work. So they're often on unpaid leave of absence from work, and without their income and the high cost of deductibles and co-pays, they experience this financial challenge. So what we do is we step in and pay their non-medical bills for housing, transportation, utilities to their creditors for 90 days.
So they don't get the checks directly.
No.
It goes right to their credit.
No, we want to be able to tell people what percentage of payments we make for different types of bills we pay. So last year, 58% of those dollars went to housing. Most patients are really concerned about facing a foreclosure or potential eviction, and 20% went to car transportation.
That's why we say that the Pink Fund is real help now.
Yes.
For women and men as they go through breast cancer treatment, and that's why you'll see these pink pigs all across mid-Michigan. If you find one, drop some spare change in it. Help Molly and the Pink Fund help folks going through breast cancer.
Hi there, I'm Barb Sheltry, and I'm here with one of my favorite people, Molly MacDonald, who is the Chief Executive Officer of the Pink Fund, but she's also the founder of the Pink Fund. Molly, why don't you share with our viewers how the Pink Fund got started?
Very quickly, I was diagnosed at a time of job transition with breast cancer and had quit one job to start another. And that diagnosis derailed my career plans and left me unemployed and unemployable while I underwent 6 months of treatment. And then the addition of my COBRA premium to help insure myself and my family was $1,300 a month. So without my income and the addition of this COBRA premium, we went into financial freefall. And while I was in treatment, I met a lot of other working women experiencing the financial burdens and concerns that I had. And when I couldn't get help, I just thought, well, maybe I'm supposed to give help. And so we launched. And fast forward to today, we've paid out about $3.6 million to patients' creditors.
So if you know someone in your family or friends who, like Molly, undergoing treatment for breast cancer and are in a financial free fall, that's why you donate to the Pink Fund. You can find out more at thepinkfund.org, 98fmkcq.com, or just look for the piggy banks. Hi, this is Barb Sheltry with Molly MacDonald from the Pink Fund, founder of the little piggy banks you'll see all over Michigan throughout the month of October. Now, Molly, we know that there are a lot of breast cancer patients who will be in treatment probably the rest of their lives. Is there a special Pink Fund fund that can help them?
So the challenge for women who are called metastatic is that they often need to go in Social Security disability. And by law now, once you apply for that, there's a 5-month wait period during which you cannot show income. So that's a huge challenge. Imagine going 5 months without any income and waiting on SSD. So we have a special fund called the Mary Herzog Fund, founded by Mary's husband, Steve. And that fund will pay those patients' bills for up to 5 months when they can provide a letter of approval from Social Security disability that indicates they're in the wait period.
So if anybody in your family or your friends or somebody you know close to you that has that issue, make sure that you contact the Pink Fund. So remember to look for the pink piggy banks all over mid-Michigan and help the Pink Fund. Real help now for women undergoing breast cancer treatment. And thanks for sharing. Thanks for giving. Hi, this is Barb Schultraub. We're here with Molly MacDonald, founder and chief executive officer of the Pink Fund. We've determined the Pink Fund is real help now for men and women undergoing treatment for breast cancer who have some financial instability. What does the Pink Fund cover?
We will cover payments for housing, and that could be a mortgage or rent payment, transportation, which would be car payments, car insurance, health insurance, and any utilities, including cable and cell phone.
It does include cell
Oh,
phones.
that's so important. You know, our cell phones now are communication devices, not only to our physicians, but they're our entertainment devices when we're in the chemo chair. They're the way we can text family members with any information, so that to take that away from somebody is their lifeline. So.
Oh, that's good. And that's why you donate to the Pink Fund. Look for this pink piggy bank. They're all over mid-Michigan. Put your spare change. That's what we're asking for, your spare change. And go to 98fmkcq.com or thepinkfund.org to find out more information.